Let me ask this then, because I'm really curious. And this is something that I hear different people have different answers to. To you, what is product market fit?
It's honestly a mathematical equation. It is, you have, yeah, no, you have a set of users that will be in, like, hopefully they're paying an amount to start with that can point to this, but will be willing to pay enough to generate a really big market size. And so a benchmark for that early on is like, are there enough users out there willing to pay you enough that you can generate 100 million ARR with your business? Like, and just like truly, like, is the functional area that you're going after one where you, for whatever like your tool does, can you generate that much from it? Like that, it is like purely math for me from a product market fit. Project market fit, totally different. And like, you may never be able to get to like a venture scale product market fit point, but it's like, is there a big market opportunity that you're hitting on? There's enough users you can sell to, and they're going to pay enough for it, given how many of them would buy this. And then Matt,
is your number 100 million? Is your number 100 million?
For our stage, yeah, usually.
Okay.
Well, it's rare to get such a clean answer to a question like that, so thank you.
I mean, it's funny because it's like, at the end of the day, on like the venture side of things, like we're investing in companies we think can go public, and how are public companies measured on how much revenue and like we're investing so early, so there's a lot of squinting that happens to like be able to see if this is possible. But it's like, it's funny because we've invested in so many companies where like I invested in this SOC 2 automation company and now like broader compliance automation company called Drata. And if you looked at market research reports, it would say the compliance automation market is 100 million total. And like Drata's worth 2 billion. So anyway, like it doesn't have to be like, oh, you point to this Gartner report and this market size. It's like really a question of like, what value are you adding to users vis-a-vis how much they're willing to pay, and like how many potential users do you have? Like it's you can simplify it quite a bit.
Yeah. That's a good business, Strata. We're about to do SOC 2 as well at Scarf, so
very
you have
relevant
to us
Strata
at this point in time. Now I definitely do. Well, cool. Well, I think we're just about out of time. So I think, Robby, thank you so much for all of the insights and wisdom here. For anyone listening, if you haven't read her blog post on Series A for open source startups, you have to read it. And also check out her podcast, Open Source Startup. It's a great podcast. So, Robby, thank you so much. We really appreciate your time.
Awesome. Thank you both. This was super fun.
All right. Thanks.